In the somber shadows of a war-torn France, a new philosophical movement began to take shape. Amidst the rubble, two figures emerged, each with a unique take on the human condition: Jean-Paul Sartre and Albert Camus. Born in 1909, Sartre grew up in Paris, nurturing a deep curiosity for philosophy and literature. By the mid-1940s, he had become a prominent figure, known for his existentialist views. His magnum opus, Being and Nothingness, published in 1943, was a radical exploration of existentialism. On the other hand, Camus, born in 1913, hailed from Algeria. His philosophical journey led him to the notion of the absurd, a central theme in his novel The Myth of Sisyphus, published in 1942. Their philosophies, while sharing a common existentialist root, diverged in interpretation. Sartre believed that humans create their own meaning in life, a stance exemplified by his quote, "Man is nothing else but what he makes of himself." Conversely, Camus argued that life was inherently meaningless, and the struggle to find meaning was the human condition itself. The post-war era was ripe with existential angst. People were grappling with the horrors of the war and the uncertainty of the future. Sartre and Camus provided a philosophical framework for understanding this existential anxiety. Sartre's philosophy resonated with many, particularly the young. He was a prominent figure in the intellectual left, advocating for Marxism and actively participating in the French Resistance. His café, Le Caveau de la République, became a hub for leftist intellectuals. Camus, on the other hand, was more reserved. He refused to align himself with any political group, believing that the pursuit of politics could distract from the pursuit of meaning. Yet, his work remained influential, offering a philosophical refuge to those seeking solace in the face of the absurd. Despite their differences, Sartre and Camus shared a profound impact on French thought. They challenged the status quo, offering a new perspective on life, death, and the human condition. Their works continue to inspire philosophical discourse, echoing through the decades, a testament to their enduring influence. In the end, Sartre and Camus' existentialism provided a beacon of hope amidst the darkness, a philosophical compass for those lost in the labyrinth of post-war France. Their ideas continue to resonate today, a poignant reminder of the human spirit's resilience in the face of the absurd.